Welcome to LiteHawk. Today, we proudly present the successor to the original LiteHawk helicopter lineup, the all-new LiteHawk 3. LiteHawk 3 encompasses all the features of previous helicopters in the series: aluminium chassis, twin engines, durable blade design, stable hovering mechanics, and bright LED lights all make a return on the LiteHawk 3. In addition to these great features, the LiteHawk 3 also incorporates brand new technology from our state-of-the-art auto drones. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to fly the LiteHawk 3 helicopter: remote, charging peripherals, spare blades, and the LiteHawk 3 helicopter itself are all included. Always remember to read the instruction manual and learn the controls before flying your LiteHawk. Let's prepare to fly the LiteHawk 3. First, insert batteries into the remote. Next, charge the helicopter by inserting the charge cable and connecting to a powered USB port. We will now sync the aircraft. Turn on the LiteHawk 3 and the remote. Push up, then down on the left stick to sync the remote to the helicopter. Now you're ready to fly. Push the left stick in to start the rotors. Push up on the left stick to take flight. The LiteHawk 3 will automatically hold its altitude where desired. Use the right stick to move forward, back, left and right. Click the left shoulder button to choose performance mode. The right shoulder button toggles the LED lights on and off. Click the right stick in to begin the automatic landing procedure. The LiteHawk 3 will slowly descend to the ground and shut off after a few seconds. The LiteHawk 3 is available now. Discover the world of coaxial helicopters with revolutionary auto features and refreshed design. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get access to LiteHawk contests and giveaways. Thanks for watching and welcome to the world of LiteHawk.